Hindu devotees across India celebrated the 10-day-long Ganesh Chaturthi festival, which commemorates the birth anniversary of the Hindu elephant-headed god Lord Ganesha. According to Hindu religion, Ganesha is the Hindu deity of prosperity and remover of obstacles. Let's take a glance at this colorful celebration amid the coronavirus restrictions.
Devotees across India welcome the Hindu elephant-headed god with great fervour and enthusiasm as they mark the auspicious festival of Ganesh Chaturthi by taking his idol to their respective homes and community pandals in huge processions in a majestic manner. Considered to be the deity of prosperity and remover of hurdles by Hindus, Lord Ganesha's birth celebrations go on for 10 days. In Hinduism, Lord Ganesha is worshipped first while doing anything auspicious in homes or places of business. Like last year, the pandemic yet again put a halt to a large-scale festivities in many parts of the country, including in Maharashtra, where the festival is marked in an extravagant manner. Several other temples of the state allowed a few devotees and asked the rest to do online darshan.
आज का दिन गणेश जी का जन्मदिन मनाया जाता है। वो हिंदू संस्कार में तो सबसे बड़ा माना जाता है इनको। इस साल कोविड की वजह से हम इस तरह से नहीं, जो हर साल मनाते हैं उस तरह से नहीं मना पा रहे, लेकिन जो पूजा कर्म वगैरह जो मंदिरों में है, जितने भी हिंदू मंदिरों में, साउथ इंडियन मंदिरों में पूजा कर्म में कोई कमी नहीं रहता है, वो सुचारू रूप से चलता है।
Lord Ganesha is popularly worshipped under different names like Ekdant, Kapila, Gajakarna, Lambodara, Vinayak, Bhalchandra and Gajanan. During the celebrations, devotees welcome Ganesha idols at their homes and offer prayers and perform various rituals. They also go marquee hopping with their friends and families, offering prayers and eating modaks, a traditional sweet dumpling made with wheat and rice flour mixed with coconut and jaggery, believed to be a favorite of Lord Ganesha.
हम लोग पिछले 5 साल से बिठा रहे हैं। मुझे इस बार गणेश महोत्सव में ऐसा सोचा कि कुछ समथिंग डिफरेंट किया जाए, तो मैंने सोचा क्यों नहीं इस बार हम पेपर कप्स मिरर वर्क से कुछ अलग बनाया जाए।
In various cities of India, devotees gathered and prayed outside closed temples to pay obeisance to Lord Ganesha, the deity of prosperity, while only priests conducted prayers inside. Bollywood too joined the celebrations, and B-town actors and actresses called for an eco-friendly celebration of the festival. Lord Ganesha is considered the embodiment of wisdom and is widely revered as the remover of obstacles. During the festival, elaborately painted and decorated idols are worshipped before mass processions take them to nearby rivers, lakes and the sea, where they are immersed in accordance with Hindu faith.